Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully recover lost or missing emails on your account. So if for some reason you maybe received a spam email or it was marked as spam but it really wasn't spam, or perhaps you had a rule or filter set up that deleted an email that you were looking for, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to jump into it. And let's say that we've been trying to get an email on our account sent to us from another third party and it just isn't coming up here. What I would suggest doing is going to the left side, left clicking on the More button, which will open up a drop down area here. The first place I would check is left clicking on Spam. If there's anything in spam, I will show you guys how to restore them. And the same would go for trash. So both trash and spam would have the same idea here. So in order to recover this, you just would check mark inside the empty box next to the email you want to recover. So currently I'm in my trash folder, but the same principle will apply if you are in the spam folder as well. So once you've check marked that box, you see we have more options up here. So you want to left click on the little folder icon where if you hover over it, it says move to. So now you just want to left click on inbox. So we're basically just transferring it out of our trash or spam, and it should be in our inbox now, and you can see it's here. So pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.